Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make a teapot using a simple and practical method. All you need to do is follow the steps exactly as you see them in the video. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Some of the explanations will be shown directly in the video, but I'll guide you through the main steps here as well. First of all, it's very important to choose the right clay for your hands and for your project. A clay that you like, feel comfortable working with, and have some experience using. The clay I'm using here is a black textured clay with chamotte. It's very pleasant to work with and has great flexibility. Start by wedging the clay well. Then, using the slab building method, we begin forming the main parts of the teapot. You'll need 2 slabs and 2 molds that are the same size and shape. As you can see in the video, I'm using these simple bowls as molds. Make the slabs, place them into the molds to shape them, and then let them rest until they reach the right leather-hard stage. While the slabs are resting and reaching leather-hard consistency, we can start making the other parts of the teapot. The first and most important piece is the spout. Make the spout exactly the way you see in the video. This is one of the easiest and most reliable methods. Take a coil of clay and adjust its thickness to the size you want. Then, using a needle tool, carefully pierce it through the center, just like in the video. Keep the needle inside the coil and gently rotate the clay on your work surface. Repeat this process until the inside becomes hollow and the spout takes the shape you want. After that, refine and clean up the spout, then set it aside. Next, we make the handle. I'm using a long clay coil for this, but you can design the handle in any shape or style you prefer. Once the handle is formed, place it with the other pieces. After all the parts are ready, let them rest until they reach the proper leather hard stage for assembly. In my environment, depending on the humidity, this took about 5 hours. After that, I came back and continued working on the teapot. Now let's move on to the next step. Once all the pieces have reached the right leather hard stage for joining, we can start assembling them together. The first thing we do is cut the opening of the teapot, which will become the lid area. As you can see in the video, I'm using a disposable plastic cup to shape the circle I need. We keep this cut piece aside because we'll use it later as the teapot lid. Make sure you remove it very cleanly so it stays usable. The next step is joining the two main body slabs together. As you can see in the video, during this stage it's very important to score the clay well, use plenty of slip, and be extremely careful with all the joints. Pay close attention not only to the outside connections, but also to the inner joints, so the piece stays strong and secure. Join all the parts together exactly as shown in the video, and step by step you'll end up with your beautiful teapot. Thank you so much for staying with me until this part of the video. If you'd like to support me, please share this video with friends who are interested in ceramics, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be happy to read your thoughts in the comments.